And then you can throw that now pink one.
I need it.
No, you can just use other things. You can throw that pink now, so there's no space there. You don't have a space. You want me to throw it? Over your mouth. You can use this box instead. Oh, now you're making a mess on the floor. See? Do you want water? Oh, wala ka palang pants, anak. Close your dress. Clean. Are you cleaning? Oh. She want a big hole on this one? Oh, do you have a toy like that square? That square and then there's a hole coming out?
Funnel?
Yeah, funnel. Oh, yeah, Daddy had a funnel. So we can throw this now. It's so much better. Take that out. Well, if you want the funnel, we need to throw that one. Let me transfer it here. Here, transfer it here. Okay. Give me. Oh yeah, there you go. Good job. Thank you. There you go, see? What do you call this one, Han? Honey, what do you call in this one? So what do you call on this one, Han?
It's just a plastic.
No, this one. The green one.
Oh, that's sand. That's your, the sand, the same sand you use.
That's good for the water.
Yeah, it's